Summertime is full of fun activities, and that means you'll need plenty of invitations and thank you cards on hand. Today I'm doodling some easy summer designs which can be turned into cards with just a few basic supplies. I'm using Sakura's Koi Creative Art Colors palette. The fun neon shades and shimmery metallic and pearlescent hues are perfect for my summer theme. I'm using watercolor paper, but mixed media paper would also be a good choice. Microns are my favorite pens for doodling. I'm using size 08 today. If you want, you can add highlights or detailing with a white jelly roll pen. I think some fruity doodles would be fun. Let's start with a watermelon slice. I'm drawing a half circle with a little bite taken out of it. Then I'm adding a border along the curved edge, which becomes the watermelon rind. Add details like stripes and seeds. I'm writing "You're so sweet" to turn this into a thank you card. Let's make some little lemon buddies next. These are football shaped with a round bump at each end. I think these guys would look cute with smiley faces. A few speckles and some leaves will finish them off. I think this would make a good invitation, so I'll write, "Bring the whole bunch." Finally, let's make a berry doodle. A strawberry is shaped a lot like an upside-down raindrop. Give it a zigzag cap and a stem on top. He could use a little face too. Let's give him a blueberry friend. He's just a circle with an X at top. The sentiment on this card will be, "Thanks very much." I think bright neon colors will be perfect for this. I'm using my water brush to fill in my doodles. You can blend multiple shades together for more dimension. All these doodles make me think of fruity popsicles, so let's draw a few of those too. These are just elongated domes with a rounded stick at bottom. You can add a few drips too. I'm writing "You're cool," which will make a good multi-purpose card. I'm going to use the metallic and pearlescent shades for this. These paints have a very fine shimmer to them, which will make my popsicles look frosty. Try an ombre effect on your popsicles. Or let the first color dry, then add stripes or polka dots on top.
I don't feel afraid to innovate. Don't miss a chance to be creative. Don't. Why don't I try this at home? Try this at home.
I'm going to add some white seeds to my strawberry. Now let's move on to something different. When I think of summer, I think of the beach. So let's make some beachy doodles. First, let's draw a jellyfish. He's just a circle with squiggly tentacles. I'm writing, "Kinda jelly of your awesomeness." I'm going to doodle a starfish too. I'm drawing a star shape with the points slightly rounded. Add texture with dots. "You're a star" is a good sentiment for a thank you card or a birthday card. It's looking a bit bare, so I'm adding a few bubbles. These creatures will look nice with the shimmery hues as well. I'm using pink and purple on the jellyfish and gold and blue on the starfish design. I think the jellyfish could use some cute pink cheeks. This is a bit more paint than I wanted, but that's okay. You can remove excess color by gently dabbing with a Q-tip. Now we can turn these doodles into quick cards. I'm keeping these designs super simple. Each card has a cardstock base and 2 pattern papers cut into squares or rectangles. I'm using glue dots, but you can use a glue stick or double stick tape. You can also use foam mounting tape if you want to add a little dimension.
I'm gonna make you a world with these 2 hands today. But I love memories and laughs in all that I create. I can't help feeling inspired whenever you smile. Gotta show you that you're the reason.
I hope you had fun doodling with me today. To learn more about koi watercolors and Micron pens, visit my sponsor's website, sakuraofamerica.com. For hundreds more crafting tutorials, visit my website at madebymarzipan.com.
Try this at home.